Let's make a hurricane party. I got the recipe for the hurricane party from this book, Bury the Lead, a cocktail book, Essays on Songcraft by Dessa. My wife went to a concert on the brain and creativity, and there she met Dessa. Dessa is a singer, rapper, musician, writer, and record executive. And apparently my wife and Dessa hit it off. They hit it off so much that Dessa gave my wife 2 tickets to her upcoming show. And luckily, my wife invited me to go with her. And there I discovered that Dessa also had a cocktail book. The cocktail Hurricane Party gets its name from an essay written by Dessa called Hurricane Party. And the essay Hurricane Party gets its name from a song from one of Dessa's albums called Hurricane Party. The essay and the cocktail are in Dessa's book called Bury the Lead. And the song Hurricane Party is from Dessa's album called Bury the Lead. So the Hurricane Party is named after an essay, which is named after a song from the book and the CD by Dessa called Bury the Lead. I think it's kind of neat. The Hurricane Party itself, the recipe, was not created by Dessa herself. It was actually created by her friend Marco Zappia. A note on the rum. This recipe does specify a white rum. I'll be using Planta Ray 3 stars. Use a white rum of your choice, and if you find one that works great in this cocktail, let me know what it is. To make this drink, I'm going to start with my lime juice. 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. I'm going to put that in a shaker. And I'm going to splash a little bit, because I do that sometimes. Next, Grenadine, and I do make my own Grenadine. I've got 2 recipes for Grenadine on the channel. Link to those will be down below if you'd like to check them out. Today I'm using the Smuggler's Cove version, and I need a teaspoon. I'll be right back. Now that I have a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of Grenadine. 2 teaspoons is 10 milliliters. Let's use our passion fruit syrup, 2 ounces of passion fruit syrup. I do not make my own passion fruit syrup. I am using Monine. There may be betters. Use one that you like. 2 teaspoons, 10 milliliters. 1 teaspoon of blue curaçao. 1 teaspoon is 5 milliliters. And finally your rum. 1 3/4 ounces of your rum. 1 3/4 ounces is 52.5 milliliters. Now, before I shake this, I'm going to crush some ice. I'll be right back with you. The recipe does say use crushed ice or pebble ice. I'm going to fill up the glass about 3/4 of the way. The recipe says fill it all the way up, but I know from experience that if I fill it all the way up, the drink does not fit in. So about 3/4 of the way. That'll do. Now I'm going to get some more ice because I just crushed all my ice. Ice into the shaker and give it a flash shake. Now I'm going to strain the drink into the glass. And I'm going to top it off with 1 ounce of Prosecco. And I'm not going to measure it, I'm just going to pour it, and I'm going to open this and hopefully don't spill everywhere. Give me a moment. And that's it, there is no garnish listed for this drink. So, oh yeah, the glass is supposed to be a Pilsner. I'm using a double old fashioned, same volume. I don't have a Pilsner. And that's it, the Hurricane Party. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, what is the best concert you've been to? I went to Dessa's concert and I really enjoyed the heck out of that, even though I'm not normally a rap connoisseur. But I'd like to know what you listen to. Let me know in the comments down below. Note there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at the social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do, and until next time, cheers.